What's going on, guys? Tempo Trades. I've been trading for almost 4 years now, and what you're about to witness is the luckiest trade that I can remember in my entire trading career. So sit back, relax, and just be surprised at what happens, man. So I think the 2-minute or the 3-minute are the best ones right now. Okay, it is respecting. We could be in a buy model here. Could be in a buy model. 30-second is the riskiest entry if you want to go for that. I think I'm going to entertain this 2 or 3-minute. Rate this setup. I said it was probably an A- because we're longing in premium. It would be an A if we were in discount. No close there on the 2-minute. Damn, that puts us in a horrible spot because we'd have to chase with it. The 30-second did close. The 30-second did close. I'm not going to take it just yet. If need be, you could chase and then just justify that the 30-second closed over and wait for a retracement to enter your second half. Yeah, the 2 or 3 minutes, both valid. I'd really just like ES to also follow suit. That's my main concern here. I would love to see that once we get in. You could chase if this starts to pump because the 30-second did close over. Obviously, we want a clean close on this 2-minute. 10 seconds here. Really like to see a push up for ES in these last 10 seconds. Come on. Nice. Nice. Okay. So you can get in. If you didn't get a chase, you might just have to wait for a retracement. I may just have to ride this as a half-size play. I'm already up 30. I'm almost up 30 points. Let's see, we didn't really sweep any swing points though. All right, so there is the first swing point on ES. So I'm just gonna ride this as a half-size play. So you had to have chased on this candle. I mean, you should have been able to chase on this candle. There was like 10 seconds left, legitimately. Gotta be up 25. I got an insane fill, though. I got an insane fill. Look at my fill. I got a 539 fill. Again, there was like 10 seconds left. The 30-second did close over, so I was a little bit more aggressive on my chase right there. All right, you could trim some here. I may trim like a couple micros and then hold the rest for this overnight high. I'll be small green. And then here's the second TP. This is a setup, right? Because we got a major liquidity sweep. The ES swept the data low right here. This is qualified as a major sweep of liquidity, and NQ did not, creating a major sweep and a bullish SMT. This is a trade worth taking on a funded versus the other one we lost. I said it was an all right setup. It was pretty good, but it's not good enough to take on a funded, and we avoided the loss right here. So the draw on... No, I would not trail here. You're not up enough points. You could start trailing. In my opinion, you could start trailing if we hit this second TP. You could put your stop loss underneath a fair value gap. I think it's just too early to trail right now. I mean, it's up to you. Again, at the end of the day, you could do whatever you want, but I'm not going to trail. I'm still in. I'm still in, but it is right at my entry. Holy cannoli. Oh my god. If this doesn't stop me out, I'd be surprised. Look at this. I'd be very surprised if this didn't stop me out. Somehow still in, bro. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this, chat. Chat, this would be the craziest TikTok of all time, chat. I have not moved anything. Come on, NQ, just do it one time, bro. I've gotten wicked out so many times by one tick. Just help me once. Just help me once, NQ. I still don't believe it. No. Unless NQ hits this high, I still don't think it's gonna go for my target. I'm still in. It pretty much just has to go through that low and I'm out. That SMT holding just cooked me, man. That SMT holding really just cooked me. I'm still in. Still in. Wow. Yo, my cheeks are clenched, chat. Holy. Oh my god. Here's an update. Wow. Chat. Holy shit. All right, I'm going to trim 3 here. I'm leaving 2 micros for NQ London High. Holy shit, dude. I don't expect anyone else to be in this trade. I just got insanely lucky, man. And that is why, whoever asked me to trail my stops, that is why we do not trail stops. I will just give a quick PSA, man. Like, if you're feeling emotional, you gotta step away. I mean, shit like this is gonna happen to you. This isn't the first time, and it's not gonna be the last time. Like, that's just how trading is. You're gonna get wicked out by a tick. You're gonna miss your TP by a tick. That's just how trading goes. And like, you just need to control what you can control. And just move on to the next setup right here. Again, if we hit these overnight highs and we get a short off of it, and you take that trade and you win, none of this matters. So you need to control your emotions and just get ready for the next setup. I'm only in with 2 micros now, chat. I'm only in with 2 micros. I am pretty much green for the day now. That was by far my luckiest trade of my life save. Definitely inside of the Discord. I can't remember a trade. I literally cannot remember a trade where I've gotten luckier in this Discord. If we go underneath this gap, I'm just going to get out the remaining micros. Yeah, it looks, see, like, you see how there's like 5 seconds left? It's going to close under. 3, 2. Okay, I'm going to get out there. So, I mean, today was a win, man. Today was a win. So, the only trade that was an L today was the eval setup. And I just lost an Apex eval on that, so I'm cool with it. We had a break-even trade down here. Then, obviously, I had the win right here with the funded. And then I called out another play right here for the funded. So, if you guys took that. So, today was a W, man. Today was a W. And I expect the rest of the week to be even better. Again, we have a lot of red folder tomorrow.